I don't know if you've noticed, but we are 68 pages into this book and we haven't really been playing with our thumbs. Have you noticed that? So today we're going to start learning how to play with our thumbs with an exercise called Sneaky Thumb. For Sneaky Thumb, we're going to sneak our right-hand thumb up to each red letter on the page. So we can see here on the Sneaky Thumb page, we've got an F, a C, a G, and an A. Let's begin with F, and we'll just go in this order. All right, I'm going to start by sneaking my right-hand thumb up to an F. Here we go, snuck on in. Now everyone else gets their own key. Notice that round hand. If you want to, take a moment to smush all the keys that you're on. Strong fingers. If you see any back bends, help them get round. Next up, right hand is going to sneak on to C. Everyone gets their own key. Take a moment to push. See if you can stay round. Next up, we're going to sneak right hand thumb to G. Give everyone a key. Take a moment to push. Very good. Last one, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to sneak my thumb to this A. Everyone gets a key. Take a moment to push. Can you keep your round hand? Now let's switch hands. Here's my left hand. And I'm going to start with F. I'm sneaking my thumb to F. Everyone gets a key. I have different keys this time. You can take a moment to notice that if you want to. Next up, I'm going to sneak my sneaky thumb to C. Everyone gets a key. Push. Let's sneak our sneaky thumb to G. Everyone gets a key. Push. This time I'll come right next door, sneak that sneaky thumb to A. Everyone gets a key. And last one, push. We are getting ready to play with our thumbs.